Hi, I'm Aiyaz from Insurance Holdings. Just with the repealing of the stamp duty, we've got some questions from clients, let's say they renewed the insurance on 30th June, but are on installment payments. So the first installment payment went out to them, rather invoice went out to them on 1st July. Then the next one will be generated on 1st of October. So does the invoice that is generated, the tax invoice that is generated for the second installment, attract stamp duty, or because the contract of insurance was renewed on 30th June, the whole contract itself becomes exempted from that repeal?
You'll see the bills are being all finalized. In all the bills, you'll see what we call transitional provisions. And those issues will all be addressed. I don't talk of the cuff specifically because there are different instances where it can continue, cannot continue. For example, we've had questions, what if I have already agreed to take the insurance but I have not paid the premium? That's another way. Because, sometimes insurance companies or brokers renew it beforehand without any monies being paid. I think they have the cover for 3 months. So all those issues will be addressed in the bill, and you'll see that come out in a week's time. Thanks.